gentlemen, honorable for the jury and the committee. Before I will introducing myself, my name is Putri Rahmadani. I will tell you a story. The title is The Legend of Ruai. Pay attention and listen to me, please. Once upon a time, a kingdom in West Kalimantan led by a king who had 7 daughters. The youngest daughter of the king was known as a beautiful and kind princess, compared to her lazy and cruel sister. The king often advised them, "Oh, my daughters, all of you are siblings, so everybody must be good to each other. Look, your youngest sister, she's so polite, kind, and friendly. Imitate her, then all of you can be a good girls." But they never listened to the king. The youngest was hated because he was praised for her behavior. Sis again, I really hate her. One day, the king asked all his daughters to meet him and said that the king would go to a neighboring kingdom for a few months and choose his youngest daughter to take his father's place. "When I go to neighboring kingdom, I choose the youngest daughter to take my place." The king's decision drew anger from his eldest daughter. "What? She take our father's place? I must have a trick to throw her away." They made a bad plan to trick the youngest by taking her fishing in a cave and then leaving the youngest daughter alone. After realizing the youngest princess was crying and calling her sister, "My sister, tell me how you live." The youngest princess sat and cried, and then an old man came after meditating in a cave, who turned her tears into egg. "Hi, beautiful girl, don't be sad. I will turn your tears into egg." The old man objected to take care of the eggs and said, "Beautiful, I will help you back to the kingdom." "Thanks." The youngest princess also agreed. Slowly the egg became a beautiful bird and sent the youngest princess back to the kingdom. And she saw her sisters being punished by the king. So the story that I will tell, I hope you all enjoy it. The moral value is, don't be jealous to the others. See you and goodbye.